Hey y'all. So this military grade directed energy weapon that people are often referring to and that is being used to kind of torment you. Um, in my personal case, I have been saying that since last year my head has been heated, and I have noticed that they have to be in my vicinity. It's a device that they are using, and now I'm 100% convinced of it. Why? So I'm currently in a hotel, and last night I went out um, to get some food. So I was out for like 30 minutes, and when I came back, I saw that the room that I'm in, it has like a connecting door to another room, and this door is normally locked. And I checked before I went out; it was solid locked. But when I came back, I saw that the screws were loose. Let me show you. Like this thing was loose and this was loose. So I went back to the hotel, the reception, and asked them if anybody had come into my room because I was just gone for 30 minutes and it was in the evening. So it's impossible that a cleaner has any business in going to my room. And she said, no, nobody will go into your room, and the other side can't see they can't really see, or they can't come into your room because we make sure that all the doors are locked. So at the end of the day, while I was telling her, like, as a single woman alone, I do not feel comfortable to sleep in that environment, knowing that somebody has potentially, because she said like maybe on the other side they try to check if it was locked, and that's how it became loose. And I'm like, that's impossible because you will have to put a lot of blunt force to be able to do that. So I asked her if she could change the room, and she was very nice, and she changed to another floor. So this is the current room that I'm in. So this was a room, and the whole night my head wasn't being heated. No laser pointed at my body for pains and stuff. Like everything was okay. And just now, because I extended my stay, I went downstairs to the reception to make payments for the next stay. And less than 5 minutes that I was gone, I come back immediately. My head start heating, and it's like, I knew this would happen because he wouldn't have enough time to plant whatever equipment they normally do for monitoring and listening. you know I would need to go out for like longer than maybe an hour or so for them to be able to do that, at least 30 minutes. So, but this device that they use to radiate you, because it's pure radiation actually, it gives you like this feverish feeling, feverish temperature on your head, and it destroys. I believe it's meant to destroy your brains, maybe your memory, because I believe initially when it started and my head was unprotected, I gained like memory loss of speech, slur of speech, and everything. And now I know that this device is something, the light is so awful. It's something that they have to be in my vicinity. It's a device that they can operate from a distance, but they have to insert it in this room. So I have just checked everything. Like, I want to check under the bed, all the drawers in here, above the cabinet, for example, over there, you know, the lamps, anywhere you can plant something. I've checked. And then I see, because all these hotels have this, AC unit. Do you see it? And that is for this AC unit. It's, oh my god, it's, let me see, how can I do this? This AC unit, you see how big it is? Somebody can fit in there. And here I can see that it has recently opened because I check the rooms whenever I come in here. So while I was gone, somebody has actually opened this. This was done in a haste. So whatever it is that I am looking for, it's here. They didn't manage to properly close it. And that is the sick, sick, sick perverted obsession. So let me see if I can try to get in there. That's the inside. The inside. Dust. I really do not like it when hotels have these things. It's possible that somebody can climb in there, but they will be extremely uncomfortable. But any small, tiny device can be hidden in here. You see how it's properly secured now? I want to find this device. So I'll try to find it. Oh my god. My neck is painful because I'm looking up like this. Pure paranoia. But what would you do if you were in my case? Somebody's tormenting you, targeting you everywhere you go. They follow you to be able to torture you with this kind of equipment with no idea of what consequences it might have for your health. in the future, what would you do? You'll do the same thing. So don't judge me. So I just finished with the search, and I've been looking back at the footage, but I really don't know what I'm looking for. You know, I don't know. And also, I'm too short. I don't have the right equipment. Like, even the filming, it's too dark in there. And I can't climb up there because I'm standing on a chair. And that's all that I have. There is no table or anything like a ladder, that I'll be able to do it. So, whoever's doing it has to be a male. Um, because there's no way that a female, unless they are the same height as a male, can easily gain access there. It's tiring, but I need answers. I need answers. I can't let it go. Somebody has actively and deliberately destroyed your life for no apparent reason other than hate. And I need answers and I need evidence. I need to find out how they are doing it, why they are doing it. So I will keep going until I found the answers, and I know one day I will come across it. That's just how curiosity works. If you dig long enough, you will find the answers that you're looking for. So I will not stop.